One of the things that's going to frustrate you as an insured or a contractor that might be watching this is the mid-claim adjuster swap, right? The insurance companies, I think sometimes it's just the nature of what happens. People change jobs, people get sick or quit or whatever it is, right? I think that does happen. But I just literally talked to a commercial contractor that has told me on this commercial property claim that he has with this woman that is the insured, they are on their ninth, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, their ninth adjuster in like 6 months. What? It's not even quite 6 months. It's like 2 weeks short of being 6 months from the date of loss. What's going on? So a couple of things, right? Just understand this is one of the tactics they use to basically delay the claim because, oh, now the new adjuster's got to review it. Oh, hey, I just got this claim file on my desk, and just give me a couple of weeks to review it and I'll get back with you. Then the next adjuster does the same thing, next adjuster, next adjuster, next adjuster. And there's been not a lot of progress made based on what the contractor had told me. Literally 9 different contractor or adjusters on this same claim based on what this contractor has told me today. And the reason I'm making this video is because a lot of times insurance companies will employ their tactics to delay claims, deny claims, or diminish, which is underpay claims. And it's unfair. It's unfair to you as the policyholder. It's unfair to you as the contractor, especially in states, which I'd say majority of the states experience 4 seasons, right? So as you move into fall and then winter and the snow flies, and it delays everything even further. And there's specific policy deadlines that you have to hit, such as recoverable depreciation and all of these other things that come into play. And so the reason I'm making this video is I just want you to be aware, first and foremost, be aware that this happens, that the insurance companies are creating an environment when this does happen that I don't think is in good faith. You have literally 9 different adjusters on the same claim within less than a 6-month period. How is that fair? How is that fair to the insured? I get it. Huge corporation insurance company, like stuff happens, life happens, people quit, move on, things like that. Okay, then escalate it to someone who is still in the office that will be here for another year to get this claim done, whatever it might be. Escalate it to a supervisor, get it moved up the chain, and get the insured involved. So if you're a contractor and you're watching this and you're frustrated, right? I was frustrated for the contractor that I spoke with today. I'm like, hey, well, let's get involved. Let us help you push this, because there was other things that were coming into play, like overhead and profit not being paid on this claim that has 7 trades and is extremely complex. Like, what more do you need, insurance company, right? So, I mean, all those things aside, what I'm speaking about specifically is that mid-claim adjuster swap. They switch the adjuster. Maybe somebody has more experience or somebody has less experience. And I've experienced that too. Usually when we get involved, especially if it's a large loss claim and they've had somebody just being their scapegoat or their gopher and just getting like pictures or whatever, when then Bellator gets involved as public insurance adjusters, they'll reassign the claim to a large loss adjuster that actually knows what they're doing, which is actually good for everybody, including us and including the insured. So just understand that this happens. And I would say if it happens more than twice, so like give them the benefit of the doubt, it happens one single time, fine. But then if it happens again, you have to start questioning, like, wait a second, why isn't the insured being treated fairly? Why isn't the insured's best interest being taken care of? Because the whole reason that we're all here in this, if it's the contractor, vendor, insurance company, public adjuster, insurance agent, whatever it might be, the only reason that we're here is because there is a policy, which is a contract, a policy in place from the insurance company to the insured, and the insured is not being treated fairly, but the insured is the one that's paying the premium to the insurance company. So the client here that we're all mutually connected to is the insured, and the insured should be taken care of properly to make sure they're getting everything they need in a timely manner. What do you think that does to the process of the claim getting completed when the adjuster is switched every month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever it might be? Like in this case, like every 3 weeks. just blows my mind, right? And so sometimes that happens, especially when catastrophes, like right now, maybe in Colorado, it's starting to get cold, but in Florida, it's still hurricane season. So I get it that they have to send adjusters to a different location and make sure that they're getting taken care of in that aspect too. But hire more people, insurance company. Hire more qualified people, insurance company. Hire more people that can do the job in the timely manner, that have the authority to make the decision on the size of claim. What? What a novel concept, right? Like, we should actually hire people that know what they're doing and have the authority to make a decision to pay a claim fairly. What? No freaking way. Yes, that's what we're asking. That is as simple as what we're asking for, right? And I will just leave you with this. We're public insurance adjusters, Bellator claims, right? And the thing is this, is if you're not being treated fairly and you're being delayed or denied or diminished on your payment, what I want you to do is I want you to go to bellatorclaims.com and fill out a contact form or give us a call, see what we can do to help you out. Because if nothing else, we can point you in the right direction. Sometimes you might not need us. We've actually been able to help people with some verbiage in an email that actually got a claim paid multiple times. So I want you to know that we're here to help you as the insured. We only work on behalf of the policyholder, property owner, property manager. Okay. We do not work for the insurance company. It is illegal for us to represent or work for the insurance company. We are not independent adjusters. Independent insurance adjusters are just independent of the insurance companies, but they're all employed by or contracted with the insurance company. So they still are being paid by the insurance company. They don't work for you. They work for the insurance company. We work for you as the insured, policyholder, property owner, whatever it might be. And just know that that's what we are here for and our role. And again, the reason I'm making this video is because I want you to be aware of what happens in some of the tactics that the insurance companies try to deploy to stall out the claim, make you give up, take less money, whatever it might be. And none of that's fair. You deserve everything that is written in that policy for coverage based on the damage, based on the covered cause of loss. And from there, everything should be taken care of to bring you back to pre-loss condition. So if you're not at pre-loss condition, you don't have all the dollars that you need to get it to pre-loss condition, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. If you are enjoying the content that I'm creating as much as I enjoy creating it for you, and hopefully this is helpful, educational, entertaining, then I want you to subscribe and follow and share this information, because the more people that know about it, the better it will be for all the insureds across the United States. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.